How to save projects in AI Sonic. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to save your projects on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to save projects, you need to create one first. Just like this, add the title and generate it. And after generating, simply go back and tap onto record right here, select it. And here you will simply see the projects that you have did. So tap onto one then, just like this. Then tap onto the arrow button at the top, select it. Then here you can find save to photo option. Just right here, tap on it. And now you can see it is saved. And by doing this, you can simply save your projects on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.